It's really important to minimize threats and distractions in the virtual environment. For example, when students log into Schoology, they're going to click on their courses and then they're going to be confronted with a lot of different tiles, with each one with a different course. So if I want to fund my science course, I want it to be easy. So as a teacher, I'm going to create a course tile that is very easily identifiable. I'm going to click on Science. Notice that I included a picture of myself in the course tile along with my course name, so that the student can more quickly associate their teacher with their subject, but also find their information that they need quickly. The design and layout of your course is also really important. So this is one way that I have chosen to organize a course by unit, since that's a common idea among organizing courses in the actual classroom as well. So to make it easier, I've just put some example folders about how Unit 0 might be how we build rapport, introduce each other. Finally, your Unit 1 is how science works, Unit 2, tree growth phenomenon, Unit 3, human skin color phenomenon. So within each of these folders, there'd be a lot of different assignments. However, I'm going to organize them in such a way that it's easy for me to tell students where to go and how to find things. So if I expand this folder, then I know that the first thing that they're going to do is let's get to know each other. I've constructed a page within Schoology and then a discussion. So let's click on the folder, see how that looks. So let's get to know each other is the first page that I have, followed by a quick discussion. So within this first page, I decided to structure my welcome in multiple ways. So I have an image of myself so that they know who I am. And then also, in textual form, I've written out a short introduction to who I am. And then I've also included a short video. And this video was created within Schoology, and I'll show you in a moment. So when the students click on it, click View, and here's my video.
Hi, my name is Mr. Nerva, and I will be your science.
So I basically just read what I wrote here. So I've included a few different ways that students can identify with me. In order to make this video, it's actually pretty easy. Once you're on the edit form of the page, you can click the little microphone and you can do an audio and video recording and then retitle it. So basically that's how I introduce students. They can click next. And then I've included some details that I want them to give about themselves, just as an example. And then I explicitly call out the options they have: type an answer, attach a file with Google Drawing, and then I even, thinking maybe if you have 9th graders, there might be some unfamiliarity with Google Drawing, so I made a quick
So to make a Google Drawing, you're going to go to your Google Drive.
That explains how to create a Google Drawing, download it, and then upload it. So, and then I also made them aware of recording audio only, or they can do an audio video recording in order to participate. So I'm hopefully making them feel more comfortable that there's multiple ways of participating in this class discussion. So so if I wanted to continue to have them do more things on introducing themselves, getting to know each other, building that rapport, then I might add more materials. And if you've taken Schoology 100, then you should know about all these different things that they can add. Opposed to this, so for me, this is one option, or for teachers, this is one option, how to structure their online courses. I think one way that I can maybe stress that organization is very important, and also things like the tile is important, because if I click on courses and I'm a student who doesn't readily recognize that, oh, this is science because this is atoms, and these are droppers, and these are Erlenmeyer flasks and beakers, and so on and so forth, they might not readily identify that as science. So it's important to make sure that it's very clear to what tile leads to which class. So I'm going to open this other test course that I've created, and notice that I haven't organized any of this. I have a welcome back message, a self-introduction assignment for kids to do. I have the syllabus. I have a discussion for favorite things. I have what's in a tree. So if you ever used Google Classroom before, this is kind of what Google Classroom offers. It's a stream of just ongoing assignments, posts, announcements, things like that. And it's very difficult to organize things in folders in Google Classroom, but luckily with Schoology, You can add materials, add a folder. I'm just going to quickly add one. Test folder, give it a color, create. Okay, and then so if I wanted to start organizing it, you click and then you can drag, and then I can drag the welcome stuff into here. Kind of a little bit of finesse here, right? Click here, self-introduction, that's going to drag up here. Wait till the gray area tells you where to go. So you're really just organizing things in something that's easy for students to navigate. It's not too difficult. So those are just a few ways that in Schoology you can structure your courses to be less distracting and non-threatening.